Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'll be showing you how to make an easy lemon meringue pie. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. This one is for all of my members, right in time for your Thanksgiving feast. Go ahead, use this recipe. This is pretty easy. You can do it. God bless you, and continue watching. Okay, once you add this in, you're gonna have to keep it moving, just like that. Keep stirring it so that you wouldn't get any lumps in the lemon filling. Look at it now, it's changing. This is what you're looking for. And of course, the stove is on medium. Okay, that's it. This is the hardest right here. Now this is the 3 egg yolks. 3 egg yolks. So I'm going to add a little bit to the yolks just to temper it a bit so that we won't have scrambled egg if I was to pour all in at once. Just to add a little in, like that, and pour it into the pot. Just like that. Keep it moving. All right. This is the lemon juice. Goodness. The little piece of butter from the crust. Work this in. This only need about a minute. And then I'm going to allow it to cool down before adding it to the crust. Okay, just like that. For about a minute or two. Okay, now I'm going to make the meringue. That's the egg white. Okay, this is when I add in my sugar. Right now I'm using the icing sugar. But if you don't have this, the white sugar, granulated sugar, will do the same thing. So just add it in 1 spoon at a time because you want to gauge the sweetness. You don't want it too sweet. You just want it right. So this is the hardest right here. So you mix and mix and mix until you form some strong peaks. Okay, I'll share this little trick with you. I'm adding some cornstarch to the hot water. This would help the meringue to stand up and it will not bleed into the pie filling, the lemon filling. Just like this. And I'm using the microwave. This can be done on the stove top as well. Cook this in for about 15 seconds. Then you mix it just like this. It's ready. So I'm going to allow that to cool before adding it in. That's the peak. All right. That's what you want. Once it stands up like that, it's ready. So I'll just add a little bit of this to the cornstarch. That's vanilla flavoring. Get that mixed up first before adding a bit of the meringue. Okay, it is somewhat cool now. Continue watching. Get it all mixed in now. This would help it not to bleed into the pie filling. Okay, it's time to put it into the crust. All right. That's the filling. I'm adding on the meringue. This is going into the oven. The oven is already preheated at 350. It's going on the top rack. Remember, the crust is already cooked. So I'm just putting it into brown. Just give it a little color to the meringue. You don't want to leave this in the oven. So you need to stay near. Just add it in just like this. 350. There you have it. Lemon meringue pie. Oh my word. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you just subscribed, welcome to the family. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.